Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to find maximum occurring character in a string, and we are also going to learn how to find maximum largest value in the given string. So let's get started. First problem will be this: find the maximum occurring character in a string. So you have to create the variable name. It is occur equal to function parameter. So, to convert a string into array, we will use a split functionality because we can't find the string value. So, to convert it, we will use split method. I will show you how it will look. Let key equal to str dot split. Okay. Here we have to give double quotes. We will see this example first. Written it. Console dot log occur occur caps occur goes hello return return key. Let's see the value. Here you can see the value. It's converted into string. Sorry, into array. So if we want to spell the words, then we will give a space between this. So right now it's spelled the letter, and after that it will spell the word. For example, hello. Suppose I will just type hello. Uh, how are you? Think we have to keep some space between this. Let's see. Hello, how are you? Uh, if I will not give space in between this, see, will consider as a one string. I think so. Yes. So we have to give space between this. This is example of split method. Let's factor our problem. Let a map. We will store the value in an object. So here we do this. Let map equal to curly bracket. Then key. This we will write here. Curly bracket is missing. Key dot for each. Here you pass the parameter e arrow function we are using. Then map. It's better to write different name because we have map function also in JavaScript. Map e. This parameter name we will pass it here. Okay. This will be our variable name equal to. This will be uh, condition also, and here we will write the condition. This is the condition, and if this condition match, then we will map 1 e plus 1 or 1. So simply if I demonstrate it, then how it will look. If this map 1, this will be the condition. If this passes, then this value will print. 1 will print here. And if not, then it will go into else condition. For example, suppose this is C. Okay. First, we will check the first one. A. A is not present here, so it will print the 1. Then we will see B. B is also not there, so it will also print the value 1. Correct. Here, we have C. C will be first time, will be 1. After that, D will be 1. Again, S. S also will be 1. Then C is got repeated 2 times. So it will calculate here. How much time C is got repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will return 4. It will check 1 by 1 which values get repeated. It will store into this. If not, then it will go in else condition. First, we will check this with a minute. Return map 1 and check. Return map 1. So let's check the value. Return map 1. No, I think this is wrong. We have written something here. Something is wrong here. Not for each. Sorry. You have to remove a space from here. As you can see, A is repeated 1 time, B is also 1 time, but C and D is repeated 4 times. And S is 2 times. So we got the repeated value. But we get the repeated value, but we have to show the character here. Character, repeated character, not the value. Number we can say. So for that, we have to write one more variable and condition also. Let max equal to 1. And character will be 0 because it will be on first and next. So let char equal to 0. uh, for loop, let k. In for loop there are few methods also introduced, that is k, sorry, in or off. Let k in map 1. Okay, k in map 1. Then if condition, if map 1, we will pass the k value here is greater than max. The initial value of max will be 1. Is greater than max, then max equal to map one key. Max 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 will store the map one value key value. Then we will write char equal to 0, not 0, k. And here we will write, always remember when we have to write return something, if we have used a for loop, then we have to write return outside the for loop. K return return character. Okay, let's see the value if it's correct or we have to debug. Mm, let's check the value. C is repeated how much time? One. C and D both will, I think both. C and D is also repeated 4 times and C is also repeated 4 times, but it shows us only one value. C 1, 2, 3. Some mistake, I think so. It shows us two value. So return D. One more time, one C. D or C. Yes. So why we are not getting C? If with maybe C D D D D C C C C. Okay. So I've written this type. C 4 times. C. So C. If C is here, D. So it is considered the is considering the first value here. It's a D. It is. So hope you get this. Let's jump into another program that is wait, that is find the largest largest value in an array in a string. Okay. So this one otherwise will get the error. Let large equal to function, then we will pass the parameter that is, suppose we can pass the void. Okay, we'll pass void if void. Let no, we will pass a string. That will be more relevant to it. Str. Okay. Here we will pass. Here we will convert a string into array. That I've shown you on earlier also how to convert it. We will convert uh, a string value into array and store into uh, this variable that we will create. Let word equal to str dot spelled. Hmm, let word str dot spelled. Another will be we will create another an empty variable. Variable or string we can say. Empty string. Yes. We will use for loop for let. In previous we have used in for in method. Now we will use of method for let words of word, words of no. Here we have to use different name. Suppose words. Okay. This will be create the variable using, and this we will use a variable name that is store the spelled value. Here we will iterate one by one. If let word this variable name, let word no, not word, let don't have to define once again, word dot length, length length is greater than longest dot length, longest and dot length, then store the word value into longest. Okay, simply return and longest here. Longest here we have to return. No, we have to print the value. For printing the value, we will use console.log. Console.log. We have not used word. Whenever you see now this means light. So this simply shows that you have not defined that variable name anywhere. Large. Same for here also. Suppose here I will return a capital L. Small L. Capital L. Here you can see the name is different due to this. It's showing this three dot. Large, comma bracket, then variable name, no? Sorry, value we have to pass it here. D dog, D dog jumped outside the garden. Side the garden. Outside the garden. Dog, let large equal to function str, let word equal to str dot spell. So to spell the word, we have to give a space between this. Yeah, that's all. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.